In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel your Wix subscription. Our very first course of action is to place ourselves in the right location, the Wix platform itself. To do this, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Now, you might already be signed in, but if that's not the case, you will need to fill in your credentials, typically your email address and password, on the Wix login page. Once you've entered your Wix environment, your next stop is the Premium Subscriptions page. But how exactly do we get there? It's relatively simple, actually. Find the profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of your Wix page, and simply click on it. A drop-down menu should appear, and from this list of options, you'll need to select the one labeled as Premium Subscriptions. This is where all of your active and past subscriptions are listed. With this page at your disposal, you can manage everything about your current and past subscription service via Wix. Your next task is to identify the specific subscription that you're looking to cancel. It could be a subscription to a website plan, a domain registration, or maybe even a mailbox. Regardless of the type of service, each individual subscription will be clearly marked and represented within this Premium Subscriptions page. So take a moment to locate the one that you're aiming to stop. Adjacent to the depiction or representation of your subscription, there should be some sort of icon that represents more actions or further options. For most platforms, especially Wix, this would appear as 3 vertically aligned dots or an ellipsis. If you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will pop up, and it should present you with several options for controlling or changing your subscription settings. Now, out of all of these additional options, you should see one that reads Cancel Plan. As you can already guess, this is the option you'll want to click. But keep in mind, it doesn't end here. There are still a few steps to take before your Wix subscription is officially canceled. After selecting Cancel Plan, you will be guided through a set of prompts designed to confirm and finalize your cancellation. In some cases, you might need to provide a reason for wanting to cancel your subscription. Understand that this is merely for Wix's record-keeping and improvement purposes, so feel free to be honest. Following this, all that's left is to finalize your decision. There should be a button labeled Cancel Now or something similar. Click on this and voila, your Wix subscription will be canceled. This may sound like a lot, but trust me, with a bit of patience and a keen eye, you'll be able to navigate these steps easily to cancel your Wix subscription. Let's walk through them one more time together just to ensure you've got it down to a T. Happy navigating, everyone!